friends about you. This bird and their partner have been together for 30 to 40 years. These birds are estimated to be over 50 years old. And these are from South Africa. Beautiful birds. This one over here is very smart. They tell me that he will lay down during the day. Hi, Baby Billy. And he takes it easy. He keeps his wings open and keeps down into the cooler air on the ground. And so these are the Battledore eagle, and these birds have been together for 30 years. Gorgeous. Hi, big, beautiful birds. And then we come here, and this is the peregrine. Hi. Yes. I know. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, she's so loved. Yes, sir. And so these are the fastest. These are the ones that were nearly extinct. So this whole peregrine fund and bringing back and breeding these birds in captivity has been a large part function of this organization. Very cool.